Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is a Panasonic model RF-618. It's an AM/FM pocket radio with a very unique tuning knob, I'll call it. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's 9 transistor. He says it has excellent reception. It's about a 1968 to 1971 vintage, and it's been recapped and realigned. So we're going to check that out right now. I'll take you a look around the side here. This is the volume on off. Nothing there. This this little thing here is the tuning knob, whatever you want to call it. I've never seen one like this. And it's got a telescopic antenna here on the side and the earbud jack. Uses a 9-volt battery. This is the switch to switch between the two bands. Pretty good condition. Let's try it out. Okay, we'll turn it on. Let's see, well, I'm on AM. And we'll tune down to the bottom of the dial. There, we're at the bottom, and we'll turn the volume on. We may have to rotate it to get it to pick up stations like this. We will try it this way.
But though he was rejected by his brothers, he was selected by God.
Whoa. Where's that volume knob? Where'd it go? Sorry about that. Yeah, he likes to be this way, because most of the stations are that way. So I'm going to leave it this way and in tune.
It's an easy choice.
Little tinny.
Wasn't the first black baseball star.
There we go.
The players who came before him, including...
Nice and strong signal. Music. Gotta get away from that.
You know, we can play with the numbers. We can look, take a look at what it looks like.
Music.
Continuamos ahora con Karol G.
Tan chocante.
From I'll be able to let them know where to go.
Commit the original sin, but
Top of the band. Okay, that's it. Little cumbersome tuning it with this thing that you have to rotate like this. Let's go to FM. And we're going to have to watch out for music. We'll extend the, and this is a little tough to get open, but there we go. Extend the antenna here. It's about 24 inches. Then we'll go down the band. Music.
In style, in fashion per se, however, a lot of people still wear boots, so we're able to do it for them.
Couple of stations top each other.
David spoke to the men who were standing there.
The Rolling Stones.
Not bad. Lots of music. See if we can get this Tampa station. It's right about here. Good old jumpy there on the tuning. No. There it is. Maybe. Yeah. There's the one I wanted. That's the Tampa station. That's usually if a radio can get that, it's doing pretty good. I'm struggling here.
We go to up to ring sizes, basically. That's why we do have the make measure.
Okay.
So,
There we go.
most stores no buy over a certain size, but
Not a bad little radio. I wonder what it cost originally back when it was on sale, new. Pretty good shape, got a bad scratch right there, but that's not any big deal. Yeah, what the heck? I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I have in this batch that he brought me, he brings me a batch of about 15. I'm down to about 6. So, Jeff, start rounding up some more because I'm going to be running out here pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.